Hello everyone. Today we are going to set up the Flutter in Android Studio. For that, first of all, we have to download the Android Studio and then we have to go to follow the documentation of Flutter. Let's start. Open the Chrome, just type Android Studio here and you'll get the link. First link you have to click and you'll go to the official website of Android Studio. I have Windows, so I'm downloading for Windows. If you have Mac or Linux, you can download for that. Click off this, you'll get the terms and condition. You can read the terms and condition. Also, you have to press the check button here and just click download button. Now it's done. You can directly open from here or you can go to the folder. When you'll click this link, you'll get some security check. There you have to press yes. After that, you'll get, now you have to press next and next. After that, install. Installation process will start. When it's done, you have to press next and finish. When finish is done, you have to, Android Studio will open. Okay, now we have to follow the documentation of Flutter. For Flutter documentation, you have to write Flutter documentation. You'll find official website of Flutter. Now you have to press the get started. We can install for Windows, Mac OS and Linux and everything. Now we have to press Windows, that I have Windows. Now for get the Flutter Sdk, we can do with two steps. Like you can also download the zip file or you can directly clone the Flutter SDK from this git. So I'm downloading this one. When it's done, you can follow this step. You can create your folder in C file. Now create a folder with src name. I'm just creating with src. Here we have to paste whatever we have downloaded for Flutter. So now I'm pasting here. Now we have to extract. Say it's extracting. When extracting is done, we will open this. Now you'll get this. Just click on Flutter console. Now type Flutter Doctor. Just press enter. It will take little bit of time because it's downloading the data and some more files. Now you'll get tick for everyone, like everything should be here, mostly Android Studio and Android toolchain. It should be green tick. Now we have to open Android Studio and there will be some plugins that you have to install that I should already have because I was using Flutter. So Flutter, this plugin should be there, and also Dart, this one. It should be installed in your system. Now we can create a new project, new Flutter project. From here, this is the path that we created, src and Flutter. So already have we, you can check from here as well. The C in CSRC folder we have created, here we extracted Flutter. So we already have. Now next, you can type your project name. This is project name, whatever you want, you can type. Right now I'm doing this. So do it, finish. Now this is your first project which is creating. Here you'll get iOS, library, and Android folders. This is the main Dart file where we wrote the code. Now just open the emulator from AVD. Here, let's run the project. It will take a little bit of time. So finally, our first Flutter application ran. Now we can check the code here and you can create your code accordingly. So bye bye guys. Let's meet in next video. Thank you.